Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me. Today let me introduce you the Lyeiaa Marten Repellent. It works with ultrasonic and it is compatible for your car and it is compatible to more things because you have some options to connect it with energy. The changing frequency of the ultrasonic sound can stimulate and destroy the rat's nervous system. That means if these rats hear that sound, they can feel and hear, oh, that's not nice for me. Let's go. Let's get the hell out of here. And then the rat is going to another area, not at your storage, for example, your house, for example, because you can get the power in with car battery, of course, USB interface, or you can use 4AA batteries. This is awesome, I think, because it is multifunction to get the power inside this device. Oh yeah. So it is against mouse and rats, and of course it is against other pests. For example, marten. Okay, if you have a marten at your area and this marten is destroying your car by eating some things under your car hood, then you can install this device easily and connect it with the battery of your car. And then this marten repellent will give the marten some information about that he is not welcome at this area. Then he will get out of there. There is one thing that will really help once we have a marten problem in the vehicle engine compartment. Gnawed on wiring, installations, destroyed coolant hoses, and spark wire plugs as well as damaged insulated materials are a great annoyance and may lead to costly repairs. The marten repellent emits changing ultrasound at frequency from 18 kHz up to 36 kHz, very perceptible to the human ear, and prevents the animals from getting adapted to the noise. The marten repellent also emits bright flashes to keep martens away from the vehicle. This will put an end to paw marks and scratches on our vehicles. The repellent includes a vibration sensor, which will switch the device on if the vehicle is stationary. The device will go to standby if detecting a vibration by starting the vehicle. It supports dry batteries, rechargeable batteries, and it connects to DC power if you like, or use the vehicle power by the included cables. You have on the device the blinding light, 2 of them, and this is really cute. The marten repellent is designed like a cat. I like it really much. Then you have the ultrasonic speaker on it and a red and green indicator. Red means it's offline or it is in standby mode, and green means it is working. Then you have a power on and off switch to make it on or off if you like, and a battery tray for 4AA batteries, but take care they are not included. The power input for your USB device is DC5 12 volt, and one DC to USB cable is on board, one cable to the vehicle power, and 4 cable ties. These ties are for assembling under your car hood. The specs of this device. The power input is DC 512 volt. The working current is 5 milliampere. This is not so lot. The power consumption is 0.1 watt. The ultrasound frequency is 18 up to 36 kilohertz. The power supply is for AA batteries, or you can use a DC 512 volt vehicle power or adapter to get the energy into it. For example, from a power bank. The operation temperature range is minus 25 degrees Celsius up to 80 degrees Celsius. That means there's a big range, no problem. And the sound pressure is 110 decibel. Woo! This is awesome. No more marten under your car hood. And of course, if you switch this device on, rats and mouse and all another pests out there will leave this area. No problem. If you like to get the power supply with the batteries, open the battery cover and put 4 AA batteries and pay attention to the positive and negative charge ends of the battery. Then you can switch it on and the pest repellent will have fun with the marten, mouse, etc. For indoor use or a car trunk, the underhood garage, take care, it's not waterproof, so attach it there where it's not direct water rinse out there. Second option is connected to the DC 512 volt adapter with a DC to USB cable. No problem, huh? Isn't it? Use your smartphone, power supply, or using power bank, for example. Job's done. And what I'm going to do is connect to a DC 512 voltage vehicle power by the included cables. Link the two connectors with the vehicle power. The black is for negative pole and the red is for the positive pole. And then you can only use it inside of your car hood. Don't attach it under the car or above. It's really easy. Fix the device by included cable ties in the vehicle engine compartment, the car trunk, the garage, the living room, etc. Then, if you have this done, then press the power button to turn on the device. The red indicator and the blinding light starts to flash and it emits a sound at 4 kilohertz to indicate the device can work normally to repel invading pests. And then it goes to the walking mode. If there is no vibration detected, that means 10 seconds, white blinding light flash every 2 seconds, EMT 18 up to 36 kilohertz ultrasonic sound is getting out, and the red lights flash every 25 seconds. Then it's off. For example, after this, stop, green light flash every 5 seconds. That means it works automatically. Standby mode is if you switch it, you shake it. For example, if your engine is still working, then it will go to the standby mode automatically. The included vibration sensor makes noise when shaking the device. It is normal condition. Don't care of it. Since there is no vibration switch inside, the vibration caused by pressing the switch too hard when it's turned on may cause the device to stand by. The working temperature is minus 25 degrees up to 80 degrees Celsius. The device will be deformed when exceeding this range. So take care a little bit. Do not attach it directly on your engine. And please don't fix the device on the engine surface for high temperature. That means if you would start your engine, there is, I think 100, 200 degrees Celsius. It's not good to get this cat on your device, on your car engine. It's not a good idea. When used in the engine compartment before using repellent, they recommend to us having the engine washed at an auto shop. This will remove all odors and smells that might attract the marten and or tell it that this has been its former home. Improper installation may cause a short circuit of electric shock. They recommend to install it in a service station or auto supply store where the local government authorized to avoid the wrong installation. But that is no problem. Watch PDP performance and I will show you how to attach this device underneath your cart. If the device fails to work, please check the batteries inside first. Then press the power button to restart. The same you can check with the power supply if you're using the batteries or the car start battery or a USB device, or no problem. You can check this, no problem. Yeah. The most important thing is that if you have more problem with it, we have to connect the owner. But we are the owner, not the owner, the seller, the vendor. But this will not happen so far because it's a good build thing. And if you try this before you attach it or before you assemble it inside your car, there will be no problems. But if there are problems, contact them and they will replace them for you, maybe. But I like this product. It's a marten repellent because I have a marten underneath my car. This is not good, and this will fight against this marten and other pests out there. And this works. I did this before. Each car of mine contains a marten repellent. Each car. And now it's time for you to get this Lyeiaa marten repellent. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.